Hey guys, I have an unboxing here of the Bears versus Babies game. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited for this. Oh, alright, so what do we have here? So this is the game Bears versus Babies. It's the same company that did Exploding Kittens. And I just love the artwork for this game. So the other day I was walking down to P.O. Box 6811. Guess what I ran into? Jason Robb. Hey, that's me. It was awful. Robs are the worst. The worst things are hurricanes, world wars, dingleberries, sharks with guns, and Robs. They are basically squishy fart monsters from Portland. Oh, it's me, Jason. Avoid them at all cost. Toot toot. That's awesome. Look at that. This is a nice little invoice with my name in it. That's hilarious. Oh my god. Good job, guys. That's funny. So we got a little thank you card here. I just love the the dark humor of this company. All right, let's see. Bears versus Babies. Here's a Barodactyl, which is a special Kickstarter backer card. See? Kickstarter backer. And then there's a little note saying, "You are so marvelous. If I could, I would give you 5 stars. I would grind you up into paste. I would put that paste on a hoagie and take slow, thoughtful bites. I would relish you as a submarine sandwich because you're great and you backed our Kickstarter. You made our game reality. Thank you, Bears vs. Baby. P.S. Inside this sleeve is your very own exclusive backer card. You can use it in the place of any other bear heads in the game or use it to add an extra player." Pretty funny. That's awesome. The Barodactyl. All right, so we'll get into the explicit content bag in a minute, but here we go. Bears versus Babies. There we go. Bald Eagle, who is also a taco. This is created by the same people that did Exploding Kittens, Alan Lee. So yeah, pretty cool. This just killed it on Kickstarter. It made so much money. All right, so let's see. And in here we have a little playmat for Bears versus Babies. Got our discard pile, our land baby army, our sea baby army, and our sky baby army. And then you have your draw piles and the way you play the game. So that's cool. And then we have frequently asked questions. So this is the frequently asked questions piece of paper that helps you understand things about the game. You got the rule book. So here we go. We'll just kind of put it out. Here's your setup. Again, the artwork, it's crude in the best way. I'll do an unboxing video of the Exploding Kittens game. I have that too. But this plays a little bit differently. It looks like the way you play is you have cards that make up your bear. And so there you go. There's your monsters that you put together. And then when you play the game, you attack with babies. As far as I can tell, that's the way the game plays. All right, so here we got some cards. Got 2 decks of cards here. So I will make a little snip-a-doo. Come on. Let's see what kind of silliness we have in store here. There we go. So here we go. We have a bunny, a scary hair baby, a happy squid. There's a claw, a chainsaw, burrito baby, bumble baby, A Batwing. A llama. A spider baby. A beaver. Another claw. Another chainsaw. Trebuchet baby. A butterfly axe baby. There's another wing. Winnie Pug. Tank baby. Aw, manatee. Perfect. Wearing a festive turtleneck. On squid legs. A pterodactyl. Or pterodactyl, but I like to say the P. Who wears terrific boots? So it looks like a T-Rex arm. A sloth. Oh no, an angler baby. A mantis shrimp. Made of meat and pain. Wearing spooky cat feet. An adorable owl. And cool cyborg legs. There's another T-Rex arm. Velociraptor. Fat kayak baby. Barracuda. Prom queen in a prom dress. Who sucks at dancing? A bat. Who can run at the speed of light? Playing the banjo. A piggy. New jet ski baby. Pregnant with dolphin babies. In a delicate leotard. Wearing incredible underpants. A Jabberwocky. It was being piloted by a robot squirrel. In business attire. A Pomeranian of light and wonder. Cuttlefish baby. Ew. Cuttlefish baby. A handsome salmon. Ready to do some lumberjacking. In a bikini. A space lobster. With a kitty tummy. Armed with knives and burritos. Flower baby. A shark. Who is also a taco. Who is also sushi. A pigeon. With some health problems. Bald eagle. Carrying a knife cat. On a peg leg. Who is also a tank. And there we got some gun arms. So, that was interesting. I like it that none of them really go together as any sets. That's pretty awesome. I'm going to use this unboxing knife because those scissors did not work. Alright. So, here's some more cards. Alright. That worked a lot better. Okay, so you can swap heads. Let's see. Are all the backs the same? It looks like it. Alright, so you can swap any two heads on the table. A lullaby. Wild provoke. Barf baby. Mano baby. Laser Patero baby. Swap. Lola baby. Wild provoke. This provokes any baby army. Big old diaper baby. Baby torpedo. Fighter jet baby. Dismember. Remove the and discard an edge card from any monster. Friggin' sweet drill. Power drill. A drop bear. Boar baby. Crab baby. Aerial ordnance baby. Dismember the friggin' sweet power drill. Polar bear. Beard baby. Great white baby. Dragon baby. Dismember friggin' sweet robo hammer. A panda bear. A fake baby. Another fake baby. Fake baby. A mask. Robo Hammer. A water bear? Oh, one of those things. Ew. If you don't know what a water bear is, look it up. Hat of Freedom. Party hat. A sauce sombrero. A mask. A grizzly bear. And intravenous caffeine drip. Yum. Alright. So there we go. There's the cards that come in the main Bears vs. Baby set. And plus my little Barodactyl, which was a Kickstarter exclusive. Pretty friggin' sweet. Okay, now we go to the Bears vs. Babies NSF expansion pack. Explicit content, ages 18 and plus. So if you're not 18, turn away. But I know you are probably underage anyways, so you're going to watch it anyways. Alright. So let's see what exactly we got going on here. Alright, you've been warned. Oh look, a free condom. Use this or the babies win. Use birth control. F you, babies. Contains one lubricated latex condom. Caution, this content contains pure rubber latex, which may cause allergic reactions. Latex condoms are intended to prevent pregnancy, HIV and AIDS, or sexually transmitted infections. Or probably babies. That's pretty funny. Alright, so here's Bears vs. Babies instructions for the expansion pack. So there you go. So we got a bum-biting toilet baby, airborne baby poop, a bear from San Francisco, half baby, with extraordinary diarrhea. Oh, there's an armful of dildos, who is a bit of a fascist, with 3 hairy boobs, seafaring baby poop, half baby, oh, a sky boob, or a fearsome sky boob, leg baby, who believes deeply in the Lord, who has a rocket penis, with axe nipples, with boobies that bite, meh, sushi baby, allergic poo baby, giving birth to a full-grown hobo. Ew. Prenatal baby poop. Oh, I think that's Deck Fingers, whose penis plays the banjo, with fire nipples. A snatch crabby. A delightful merman. A poocopter. A dick monster. Ew. A penis corn. And it looks like a dildo launcher. And I don't even want to know. So there you go. You were warned. That was the adult expansion pack. Ooh, complete with a condom to defeat the babies. So there you go. Bears vs. Babies. Another delightful game from the lads that created Exploding Kittens. So, yeah, what do you think? I like the gimmick of the furry box and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, pretty funny. And hope you liked the video. Let me know what you think. Bye.